Oh, you know what day it is today? It's my birthday. I wonder if Chase, Marshall, and Rubble did anything special for me. Well, time to get up and enjoy my day. Oh, Chase, Marshall, Rubble. Hey, Skye, how's it going? Pretty good. Do you know what day it is today? International Pup Treats Day? No. It's my birthday, Chase. Oh, right, of course, it's your birthday. Well, no pressure if you didn't do anything for me, but I think I'm gonna go out and enjoy my day. Okay, Skye. Oh no, Skye's birthday. We forgot! Marshall! Hey, Chase, how's it going? It's Skye's birthday today, and we forgot! Oh no, what are we gonna do? We'll have to make some cupcakes for her. What's her favorite flavor? Chocolate. Yeah, chocolate, that's right. Okay, let's get busy making some cupcakes. She'll be back soon. Okay, Chase, let's do it. First, we need to dump the cake batter into the bowl. Whoops! Oh no, I dropped the bag. Let's just get that out of there. Okay, now time for our water. Possum. And next is our oil. Great. Now we need to put our eggs in. Marshall, be careful with that egg. Don't drop it. Whoops. Sorry, my bad. I'll clean it up. Okay, now it's time for our 3 eggs. Okay, time to mix our batter. Remember to keep your hands clear and always ask an adult for help. Okay, let's fill up our cupcake liners. Scoop. Oh, it's very drippy. And let's put it in this purple one first. Yum! Okay, time to bake. Yeah, these cupcake liners look a little full, but I'm sure it'll be okay. Yeah, let's get them in the oven. Oh, it's really heavy. Wow, Marshall, you are covered in cake batter. Yeah, I know. Alright, our cupcakes are going to be done soon. I can't wait. They smell delicious. I hope we followed the recipe okay. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, Marshall, the cupcakes are done. Why do they look so huge? I don't know, did we do the recipe right? Why don't you check the recipe? Okay, I'll double check. Looks like this was supposed to make 24 cupcakes. How many did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We only made 12. We were supposed to make 24. Oh well, they'll still taste delicious. Okay, Marshall, you go find Rubble. He's really good at decorating cupcakes. Okay. And while he's doing that, I'm going to make something else super special for Skye. Okay, Rubble on the double. Time to decorate some cupcakes. First, we do a dollop of icing right here. And just a little bit for me. Yum, 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 yum. Time to spread the icing. Next comes sprinkles. More sprinkles. Perfect. I'm back. Hey, Skye. Come on, I got a special surprise for you. Oh, really? I can't wait. Come on, let's go. Wow, guys, this looks incredible. There's cupcakes, balloons. Aw, you guys are the best. And Skye, I made you a little gift. I hope you like it. Aw, Chase, that's so thoughtful of you. I can't wait to see what it is. Let's open it up. Wow, it's a necklace. Oh, it's so beautiful. These beads are amazing. Thank you, Chase. Thank you for the present, Chase. And thank you all for making cupcakes. This is the best birthday ever. Bye, everyone. Bye. Thank you so much for watching our video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.